see what we're looking at here. So I think what I'll do is go ahead and get under there with my, I got a nail puller or a cat's paw, and I'll pull that nail out, and that'll make it easier. I won't be banging on this thing, so I'll be back. This is where I'm going to put all my dirt piles. Put it there, mix it up. I might actually use my rototiller, which I haven't done yet. All this is by hand, by me. So I might do the paths. I may take my rototiller down the paths, which are here, and in between, just to get that loosened up, and then I'll take what I loosen up, throw it in a wheelbarrow. You see that's right here too. Pile it up. I'm also gonna do to this what I did to that, and turn this into some kind of garden spot. Maybe just flowers. That'd be cool. I don't need a lawn for anything. Either do you. Grow a garden, people. One of these days the stores are going to be closed. So there you go, my advice. Or come help me, and then you can share, or contribute some funds, and I'll be able to get some help. We'll get this banged out this year. So have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Let me go see if David's coming. Ooh, I also better make sure. I turned my back on Daisy for a long time. Hey, David. Let's go. You coming? Daisy's probably over there working me. I think she gets, there she is. Good girl, Daisy. Stay here. Hey, come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, Sneaker. Come on, let's go. Daisy, go in the house. Go in the house. Go on. See you there. Oop. See you there. Come on, let's go. Let's go. She'll be at the front door. Hi, what a good girl. Hi, Bernie. You want a treat? Let me get you guys a treat. Let's see if David's coming first. Hey. Hey, David, you coming? Nope. Okay, we'll see him later too. I know. Bye now.